Let's start designing Perfume post. Make background black color and bring a background and just on it. Bring another background and make opacity low of both background. Bring main object in center and apply drop shadow and adjust it. Bring flower in PNG and adjust it. Make a copy of object and flowers and flip it and make opacity low. Write a text with font Trajan Pro. Apply drop shadow to text fragrance. Write another text with same font. Bring a logo in PNG and adjust it and change its color to white. Thank you for watching.